Okay, I want to show you what's possible with options. This is another account of mine that I set up throughout the week, and I usually start these on the previous Friday. Um, I want you to notice the staggers that I have in my putts. The reason for this is uh, unless you have a lot of money in your account, and it's no problem for people with bigger accounts to do more contracts in this. I did one on each one of these, I believe. Yes, on the 114 and on the 112 and on the 110 and also on the 108. And the reason for this, it gives me a little more time if this one did get filled and let's say that I felt like it's going to drop a lot further. I could back out of this one, move it out without it getting in the money. But this is a very profitable way to set up your playing field. I do this almost every one that I have stock that I own. I own 800 share of NVIDIA on this one, and then I own two synthetic poor man covered calls. So uh, this is a very good way to set up your playing field. And so what will happen is at the end of the day, if it stays just like this, and this my cover calls or my don't get or my stock does not get taken away, and I don't think it will this late in the day. There's only about 30 minutes left, so I think it's going to stay pretty close to what I'm seeing right here. It may be I may get assigned the 120 100 share on this, and that's fine. I'm comfortable with buying the NVIDIA at 120 and turn around selling covered calls. But I want to show you what this will profit. If everything stays just like it is, um, I'll make $994 today on those positions. Uh, Now that's providing the stock doesn't get taken, but it's a pretty good way to set up your playing field. I do this on all of mine, covered calls, and I have variations on how I do others, but I wanted to share this with you and hope you enjoy. And if you have any questions or comments below, let me know and I'll try to answer those as soon as possible. And hope you enjoy.